Hey, yo, welcome back. You in for a treat because on this video, we're about to figure out the best way to make money online. We're going to be learning from viral TikTok videos. Let's go.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
All right, so look, we all want to get to the bag, right? And everybody in the world learns something from TikTok. I don't give a damn if you learned it from a YouTube short. It originated on TikTok. So let's get into the first video with the white man showing us the best way to make $10,000 a month online. Let's watch.
There's only one trending side hustle and business opportunity you should look seriously at in July of 2024. And I'm going to share that with you right now. I learned about this system a couple months ago. It's a made-for-you system. It's like a franchise. All you have to do is get the playbook and implement the playbook.
So I like the ambiance. I like the grass and the green in his background. Like, look at them fly Tom Cruise glasses. You know what I'm saying? But my man is talking so damn vague. Big fella, what is the playbook? I'm sure you ain't about to tell us at the end of this 1 minute and something video, but dog, what is the playbook? What you talking vague? You talking like doctors. You need acetaminophen. No, nigga, you need Tylenol. All right, come on. Let's watch the rest of it.
And it doesn't take a genius to implement the playbook. If you do that, you can easily, within 7 days, you could start doing this and making over $1,000 a day in your part-time side hustle. Again, I know people doing this 1, 2, 3 hours a day. They're making $200,000-$300,000 a month. You can do the same thing. These people aren't SEO wizards. They're not coding wizards. This has nothing to do with crypto, drop shipping, anything. It's basically a full affiliate marketing system already done for you that has high commission business products, a technology platform that's worth millions of dollars that you just tap into and you can be using and implementing within 7 days. So if you'd like to know a little bit more about this hack, again, the only hack you should consider right now for making more money, like this video, click on the link in my bio, and you'll get an introduction to what I'm talking about.
Hack? Hack? What is we supposed to get from that? Like, how are we supposed to make money? Like, I understand. So look, this is the problem with the how to make money short form content. Most of it is just a commercial. So it's not people actually teaching you how to do something. They're just promoting a commercial so you can fall into their funnel. You could ask for more information. You could get on their email list. You could get their email. You could get their ebook. You can sign up for their course. They don't really be giving no game. Dog threw a whole bunch of words around, got you looking in his glasses feeling like, oh, you rich. So then he's collecting data on the other side, but I learned absolute nothing. I feel dumber after watching it. That's all I'm saying. If y'all got something from it, then that's on you. But let's go on to the next one. We going to the people. Wakanda forever.
If I start off at zero and I had to make 10K a month, here's 4 incomes that I would try out that I know guarantee I can make 10K a month in 2024. Number 1, it would be YouTube automation. You could get AI generated YouTube automation videos. And second, like this, I know people making literally 75 to 150K a month doing this, which is unbelievable. Number 2, TikTok shop. I know you see TikTok shop all around TikTok. People are making money on the affiliate side and on the seller side. It is crazy. Number 3, simply number 3, Airbnb has been going down, but you can still make money if you're in a prime location like I am in Atlanta, Georgia, and if you know what you're doing. If you have the right people that you're following, you learn from the right people. Number 4, simply dropshipping. Dropshipping is the bread and butter. That's how I made my first 20, 30K a month. I know you can too. So those are the 4 incomes I'll try to make 10K a month in 2024.
See that one right there? So look, this is what he did. This is what he did that's so beautiful. He gave you something where he can't go all the way into detail. YouTube automation. He can't tell you what it is, how to set it up, what that means, what videos to upload, what your account should be, what your name should be, how to set up your email. He can't tell you all of that. But what he can do is give you the name of something that can make you money. And then you can do your due diligence. Like, what is YouTube automation? You can go down that rabbit hole. How do I set it up? You can go down that rabbit hole, and eventually you can land with information that you can use to get you a bag, right? That was fly. And every other thing he broke down, even saving what's his best for last. He saved drop shipping for last because he's like, look, that's how I got my bag. I don't know what y'all want to do with that, but that's how I made my first 20, 30,000. Plus, in the middle, he got some, look, Airbnb done went down, but you still can't get a bag and run it up off Airbnb if you're in a prime location. He gave us information and news we could use. That one was fire. Now let's see if he holds a candle to this next black man that's gonna tell us how to make some money online. Let's see.
So if you want to make your first 10K in a month, what I think is the best thing to do is start a service-based business. Something that will last the tide of the economy, of people getting bored. You need to do something that people actually need as a necessity. So for example, I do rental car. I know people are always gonna need cars, so that's why I started with my first car, scaled up all the way to 30 cars, and now I make 50 to 60K a month off those 30 cars. But you could start with one or two, make a good 2,000 to 3,000 to 4,000 a month, and then scale it up with partnerships and things like that. But you need to be in the service-based sector because people are not gonna care. If you have some type of business where people, fall off, they have the choice if they want to use it or not, then you have a way higher chance of failing. But if you have a business that's a necessity to society, then you can go ahead and start making your profit, no matter what storm it is.
We are coming through. You hear me? Black Truck Tito had that game. Did you see the stars in the roof of the Benz? You know what I'm saying? Am I the only one that's seen the stars in the roof of the Benz? Listen, Black Truck Tito has some game too because he's telling us what he specializes in. He ain't even covering none of the other BS. He's like, look, this is how I ran it up. You could get you one or two cars, send them to the streets and start making money off one or two cars. You take that money, like, come on, man. He's teaching you really, really, really. Anybody that understands simple economics through the dope game, he's telling you, you go get an ounce, you bring it back, you flip it, you go get 2 ounces. You go, you know what I'm saying? That's exactly what he's saying. Go get one or two cars, right? Start making some profit. Use that profit to get more cars. If more cars equals more money. He said he got 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 cars. You're going to make 20, 30, 40, 50, $60,000 a month. And bada boom, bada bang, you are now out of the rat race. You out of the struggle race. You out of the pole race. Listen, you know what I'm saying? You doing okay. You doing okay. You doing okay. Right now, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month, I'm sure would change most of our lives. And then the fact that you using cars as an asset, when most of us, there's some people watching this ain't got a car right now. Listen, you know what I'm saying? So if you could literally drive the car that you want to drive for free, really, because most of the month you written it out, the car sit anyway. Like if you go get the car right now, you had to work all month to get the car. Every time you go to work, car sit. You know what I'm saying? You drive it home. You tired. You can't do none of the, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm talking about. So last but not least, we have an actual infant. I'm talking about a little baby is about to tell us how to get rich online. And this man said that he about to roll in off of the information that he knows. So let's see what he talking about.
The laziest way to make money online this year is not what most people think it is. Now, I'm not saying that those methods don't work, but after buying a Rolex at 14 years old, starting with $0, I found a faster and easier way to make money online. And this exact way pulls me in over $7,000 a month in passive income. And that lazy way is affiliate marketing. With most businesses, you have to do the shipping, the handling, the marketing. With affiliate marketing, you just have another company do all that work for you, and you keep 50+% of the profits without having to do any hard work. If you want to see how I do affiliate marketing, check out the most recent video on my page.
This damn baby don't even know how to talk yet. And this man still got the best video out of all the ones we've seen today. He got the best production quality. My man got the most concise message. Like, where the hell he get that script from? Did he write that script? Because he pop, 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 pop. He was in and out. He was in and out. He was in and out to the point where he makes it, what? you ain't got no choice but to go follow him. You gotta know more of the information. He said, look, I did the thing, and this is how you do it, and you don't want to do the shipping but you don't want to do that. You really don't want to do that. So he like, look, this is, I just gotta roll it. You come on, man. He got social validation and everything. So that's my overview of the 4. I would say my favorite is the second video because Dog gave us multiple different examples of how to get the money, different options that might suit us. But if you're specifically talking in your niche, then the last 2 videos go the hardest because both people are just talking about what they do to make money. And that's really what you want to see online. You really don't want you do this and then you do this. You just want to see, okay, if I run up the bag, you want to know how I ran it up so you can use some of those things in your business, or the way that I did it can be an inspiration to how you want to do the same thing, right? So hopefully somebody somewhere on the other side of this camera gets some value, and you know what I'm saying? Y'all can go make this money. And we're going to continue escaping poverty as a team, as a unit. And I'll see y'all next week.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.